Hello all, welcome to our YouTube channel Botany by Sandhya and Varshni. Today we came up with an interesting topic for you guys. Let's see about the herbs which promote hair growth. There are many chemical treatments available which results in faster hair growth, but over usage of those chemical products may cause many side effects to your body. It may lead to allergy, blackening of skin. In some cases it may lead to cancer also. So we have shortlisted some herbs which you can apply to your skin. This is completely natural and no side effects. So let's see about the details of the herbs. Top 10 herbs for hair growth. Number 1. Amla or Indian gooseberry, shigakai, Rita, Bringraj, Methi, Brahmi, Neem, lavender, flaxseed and hibiscus. Let's see all of them in detail. Number 1. Amla or Indian gooseberry. What are the benefits of amla? It promotes your hair growth, reduces hair graying, helps with dandruff and scalp condition, act as a hair conditioner. How to use it? Mix the amla powder and some coconut oil. Apply this mixture on your hair and wash after 30 minutes with lukewarm water. Shigakai. Benefits. It cleanses and improves the health of your scalp, controls your dandruff, promotes hair growth, strengthens hair roots. How to use? Shigakai powder and water. Apply this mixture on hair and wash after 30 minutes with lukewarm water. Rita or soap nut. Benefits of Rita. It nourishes the hair follicles and scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, cleanses your scalp, anti-inflammatory property, it fights against infection. How to use it? Rita powder should be soaked in boiling water. Apply this mixture on hair and wash after 30 minutes with lukewarm water. Bringraj. Benefits of Bringraj. It promotes new hair growth, adds shine and luster to your hair. How to use? Mix Bringraj powder, coconut oil and olive oil. Apply this mixture on hair and wash after 30 minutes with lukewarm water. Methi or fenugreek. Benefits. It improves circulation in the scalp, promotes your hair growth, conditions the hair. How to use? Fenugreek seeds should be soaked in water overnight and then make a fine paste. Apply on the hair. You can add little yogurt to the paste. Apply this mixture and wash after 30 minutes. Brahmi. Benefits. It reduces stress and hair loss, promotes your hair growth, nourishes the scalp. How to use? Mix the Brahmi powder and water. Apply this mixture on the hair and wash after 30 minutes with lukewarm water. Neem. What are the benefits of neem? It controls your dandruff, cleanses and nourishes the scalp, antibacterial property, it keeps the infections away from your hair. Then how to use it? Make a neem leaf paste and apply on the hair. Apply this mixture on hair and wash after 30 minutes with lukewarm water. Lavender. Benefits. It controls oil production in the hair, natural insect repellent, keeps the scalp healthy. How to use? Take lavender powder and mix with few drops of hair oil. Apply this mixture on hair and wash after 30 minutes. Flaxseed. Benefits. It nourishes your hair, fight against free radicals, strengthens hair, prevents hair loss and moisturizes your hair. How to use? Boil the flax seeds until it forms a gel consistency. Apply the gel to your scalp and hair and wash your hair after 30 minutes. Hibiscus. Benefits. It stimulates your hair growth, makes hair smooth and shiny, deep conditions your hair, treats dandruff and itching scalp. How to use it? Mix hibiscus powder and curd and make it as a paste. Apply this mixture in hair and wash after 30 minutes. I hope this video is useful for you. You must try this at home. People belonging to all age groups can try this as it is completely natural. Thanks for watching our video. We will come up with more interesting videos. Until then, it's Varshni signing off.